Yeah, today I want us to look at the role of layer gut health in shell quality. The intestinal health of a hen is directly linked to the shell quality, and there are many more other factors that still affect shell quality. Then the shell strength in this matter is regarded as the most crucial aspect of the shell quality. This is because when we register a number of cracked eggs, even hairline cracks, this significantly contributes to downgrades, thus leading to so many second class eggs, and this is very critical to the profitability of the farm. So in this sense, a healthy gut is the one from which a bird can produce to its full genetic potential, not only that is absent of disease or subclinical infection. Yeah, so we are not aiming only to make sure that we don't have a disease, whether an active one or a subclinical. Subclinical meaning a disease is not manifesting any clinical sign, but remember it's still impacting on the body. But by maintaining gut health, we are aiming at achieving the full potential of this particular animal. And for the matter of this video today, we are talking about a laying bird. So a healthy gut optimizes performance, and thus is referred to as a limiting factor in production. So we say the gut health is a limiting factor. Then one poses a question: why or how does a healthy intestine or a healthy gut lead to improved layer performance? Remember, we said that it is said that gut is an ecosystem, and to maintain its health is a very delicate balancing act, because we have a host of essential bacteria ranging from not bacteria but microorganisms ranging from bacteria, protozoa, fungi, and viruses, and all of these have symbiotic relationship with the bird, and they all work to create a healthy and functioning ecosystem within the gut. Remember, the host of these microorganisms, they are what we call the gut microbiota, and when the gut is healthy, we achieve things like the length of the villi. Remember, these are the finger-like projections that help in the absorption of nutrients in the intestine. The quantity and the quality of the villi. We also know that when the villi and they are in the good health and in the good number of the population, a lot of nutrients will effectively be absorbed into the body. And this is now where our question is answered, that when we get the required nutrients for the egg formation and especially shell formation, and this time with the calcium carbonate, we will be able to achieve a healthy egg. Remember, an egg production cycle is a 24-hour cycle. So with the drain absorption, with the cell erosion where all the nutrients get eroded or get out of the body, maybe through diarrhea, or even they are dry and they are pushed to the large intestines, the colon, and towards the vent, then we know that all some nutrients are absorbed only at the upper gut, that is the smaller intestine. So with the dry, we get that we will not get enough nutrients for tomorrow's production. So in short, we want to say that it is very good for us to maintain integrity of the gut by preventing the diseases that cause the erosion of the gut, that hamper the growth and the population of the villi. And these are the factors that I want us to look into the next video. But I want us to take this seriously as farmers, because our profit lies in the gut. As poultry farmers, our profit, I reiterate, lies in the health of the intestine of our birds. And intestines of the bird is one of the is one of the largest organs in the body. It is said that if you take it piece by bit by bit without breaking, but opening every layer of the chicken intestine, it can be like the size of a volleyball field. So you can imagine how massive it is. But all of this and all that expanse area, surface area, it is aimed at ensuring that a lot of nutrients are efficiently absorbed into the body, because of the demand that we have placed in that particular bird, and especially with today's improved bird, where we want to push the quality and the number of eggs at the end of the production cycle, where we want to push the peak production, or rather to prolong the peak production, and at the same time to achieve the peak production faster. So in the next video, we'll look at the symbiotic, or simply the healthy relationship between the microorganism, or what we are calling gut microbiota, and the bird, and how we can maintain the same, and how we can intervene as farmers. Apart from feed, what else can we do? Thank you, and we gear up towards the next video.